Hey guys, let's play Rabbids Coding. This is the beginning, so this is the play button. The basics. So last time we played level 2. Today we're gonna play level 3. Let's go. So we need to click it, I know that. You guys know. You can also use robots. Whoa. That's an awesome robot. Why is there a cowbell here? Okay. We need to catch this rabbit. And he has the arm to catch this rabbit. So there is a block. This block name is catch block. It allows you to catch the rabbit. Yes. And if you are in front of the washing machine, you have to release it. This is the release block. Okay? Explaining is finished. Let's go. We have to go forward. He will come here. We have to go another forward. He will come here. So he is close to the rabbit. So this is our time to put the catch block. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, he catch it. You are close. What? I did it the good way. Okay? You need to turn left. So you know how to do it. Yeah. Click it, then turn this way. Oh yeah. And we have to go forward. Let's watch what happens. Okay. Now our final block release. Okay. Let's watch now what happens. I'm so excited. Okay. He did it. Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye.